Okay, right? Everything is fine. Okay, very good. Thank you, Melissa. Right. So now we will start, right? Today we will start the new topic. Okay, the new topic which I talked about. Okay, message, Afsa, message to host, message to host. Okay, everyone, message to host, which is quadratic equation. Okay, so we will be studying this chapter, quadratic equation. Okay, now I hope all of you have studied about linear equations, right? Linear equation one variable, linear equation two variable. Yes or no? Yes, Shakib, binomial theorem was over. Okay, right? उतना ही पढ़ना है हमें. ठीक है? So anyone who doesn't know what is quadratic equation now, tell me what is linear equation. Tell me what is linear equation. When we talk about equations, okay, if I'm having equation like this, x plus 5 is equal to 3x, right? So this is a linear equation. In how many variables? One variable or two variable?
One variable.
Tell me one variable, right? So this is linear equation and one variable. Very good. Guys, please message because I can't hear anyone's voice clearly. Okay. Now, suppose if I change this, suppose I write an equation like this, x squared plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then what it is? Tell me what it is. What kind of equation it is?
Quadratic equation in one variable.
Yes, quadratic equation in one variable. So that is our limit, right? We have to study only quadratic equation in one variable till class 10. Okay, so quadratic equation in one variable. In one variable. Okay, now when we talk about quadratic equation, the first thing that we have to study, which we have already studied, basic definition. Basic definition. So can I say that any equation in one variable having the highest power 2 is called as quadratic equation? Yes or no? Quad means 2, right? So what's the general form of a quadratic equation? Tell me. General form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, right? So tell me, if I'm talking about this, is it an equation or expression? Is this an expression or equation?
Expression.
Expression, right? It is not your equation, right? See, one variable, na Bhavani, one variable. That's why I'm talking. We are talking about only one variable. Okay. So 0, suppose it is 0. So it is a standard form of quadratic equation. This is called standard form. This is called as standard form. Standard form. Okay, make sense, right? Make sense. So I hope all of you can identify this quadratic equation, right? Now, when you talk about second concept, suppose I'm having this equation, x plus 3, y is equal to x plus 3, y is equal to x plus 3. Suppose y is equal to x plus 3. Find y if x is equal to minus 2. Tell me. Easy? Easy, yes or no? Easy? So what you did? So y equal to minus 2 plus 3. So this is plus 1, na? Plus 1, right? Plus 1, easy. So what it is called, I hope all of you have studied this in polynomial chapter. This is called finding the value. Finding the value. Yes or no? Finding the value. Make sense? Make sense? Right? Now we have studied in polynomial that we can find the value of any polynomial, right? We can find the value of any polynomial. And what is this? What is ax squared plus bx plus c, right? I'll just write it as f of x, just like polynomial. This is also polynomial, na? This is also polynomial, or p of x, g of x, anything can be written. But this is also polynomial, right? Yes. Okay, let's write one example. Let's write one example. X squared plus 2x plus 1. Suppose we have a polynomial, right? Y is equal to, right? Put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1, right? Then put x is equal to minus 1. Let's see what we will get. Now see, y, again, it is not two variable. Y is just the value of this whole term, right? Okay, y is this value of whole term. Okay, so instead of y, you can write f of x also. Okay, got it? So if we put x equal to 1, what is the value of y? Tell me. If we put x equal to 1, what is the value of y? Everyone, tell me. So it's 1 plus 1 square plus 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 4. Very good, everyone. Now, if I put x equal to minus 1, then if I put x equal to minus 1, then tell me. 0. Very good. 1 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Yes or no? Everyone understood this? Yes? Okay, so can I say that, oh, if I'm putting x equal to minus 1, this value is getting 0, right? This whole value is getting 0. This whole value is getting 0, right? So this x is equal to minus 1 is called as 0 of this polynomial, this quadratic equation, x squared plus 2x plus 1. Yes or no? I hope all of you remember zeros of polynomial. Yes? So obviously it is a case of polynomial only, na? Right? Right? Okay. Now, next thing that we have studied, right? Next thing that we have studied, I'm just revising what we have studied in, tell me, in polynomial. The third thing that we have studied, suppose I'm having polynomial like this. Again, x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now you have to find the zero of polynomial. What you used to do? Tell me, what you used to do? Think about it. This is something that we have already studied in our syllabus. We try to convert in factors, right? We try to factorize it. Factorize it. Yes or no? Yes, the value of x is called zeros of polynomial. Okay. Yes, Zilan. Very good. Now, can you factorize this? Can you factorize this? Yes, now it will be x plus 1 into x plus 1. Split the middle term, x squared plus x plus 1. Right? Using split the middle term. Right? Yes. Makes sense. Now, if I'm asking you, what is x plus 1? Tell me. So x plus 1 is factor of this, right? And x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 1 is 0 of polynomial, is 0 of polynomial. Yes or no? See, I'm using polynomial over here, right? I'm not using quadratic equation because these things, got it? Got it? Okay. So I hope split the middle term, all of you have studied split the middle term, yes or no? All of you have studied split the middle term? Tell me, raise your hand. Yes. So suppose, let's see how many of you, this is the thing, knowing an application, right? This is the thing, knowing an application, right? Split this, ax squared plus bx plus c. Sorry, okay. This we will split, but it might be very difficult for you. Split this. Okay, split this, right? I'll give you 2 minutes. I'll give you 2 minutes. Everyone should split this. Everyone should split. Okay, yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Prahlad. Okay, B is 11. Very good. B is 11. And what is C? C is 6. Now, when you talk about split the middle term, right? When you talk about split the middle term, right? We split B in two terms, M into N, right? Sorry, we split B into two terms. And this is M plus N, right? M plus N, not N, M plus N. B is split into two terms, right? Such a way that A into C should be equal to M into N. Got it? Tell me, got it? Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? So what is, first of all, we'll start with this. What is A into C in this case? So M into N is equal to what? Tell me. M into N is equal to what? 18, right? 18. Now write down all the factors of 18. When talk about all the factors, and M plus N is equal to B, which is equal to 11. Write down all the factors, which is 6 into 3, right? Minus 6 into minus 3. Then 9 into 2 and minus 9 into minus 2, right? And then we have 18 into 1 and 1 into 18, right? Okay, so we will see like this. You can just write down all the factors. You can write down all the factors. Okay, now think about it. Think about it. What will be, right? What will be the value of M and N so that you can get plus 11? Tell me, what will be the value? 9 and 2? 9 and 2? Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? So I can say that M 9 and 2. So 3x squared will be written as 9x plus 2x plus 6. Now you can do, right? Now everyone can solve. We will common, right? From here and we will common 3x. So we'll get x plus, this will be 3. Here I'll take common 2. Again x plus 3. Then total common. So 3x plus 2 into x plus 3. And this was the answer of almost everyone. Right? Got it? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Now, this is split the middle term of this quadratic polynomial. Now, if I make it equal to 0, suppose I make it equal to 0, so can I say that this is equal to 0? Tell me, this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me, yes. And I can say that 3x plus 2, either 3x plus 2 can be equal to 0 or x plus 3 can be equal to 0. है ना? Right? Or x can be equal to minus 2 by 3 or x can be equal to minus 3. These are called as root of root. They are called as root, means zeros of polynomial in this case are called as root of quadratic equation. Root of quadratic equation. Got it? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? So what is root? Tell me, what is root? Root is zeros of quadratic equation. Yes? Agree? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? समझ में आ रहा है? बताओ. Tell me, but समझ में आ रहा है? Yes? Now think about it, right? Think about it. Okay, very good. Now, this roots, right? We have two values of x which will satisfy this equation. That is the meaning of root. Now, I'll write one root as alpha. किसी को भी लिख सकते हो. Alpha is minus 2 by 3. And suppose beta is equal to minus 3. Minus 3. So tell me, what is alpha plus beta? Everyone find it. What is alpha plus beta? Tell me. सबको ही खोजो. What is alpha plus beta? Tell me everyone, what is alpha plus beta? -2/3 plus of -3. Yes, very good. -11/3. Very good, everyone. -11/3. Everyone is getting -11/3. Prahlad, it is -11/3 now. -11/3. Prahlad, -11/3. Ashila, okay, correct. Okay. Now, what do you think? See the equation. See the equation here, right? See the equation. See the given equation, which was 3x square plus 11x plus 6 is equal to 0. What is 11? Tell me, what is 11? Tell me, what is 11? Hey, what is 11? क्या है 11 क्या है? B, right? 11 is B, है ना? So minus B divided by, because minus to minus रहेगा ना? 3 क्या है यहाँ पे? What is 3? What is 3? A. 3 is A. So minus B by A. सही है? क्यों दिक्कत है ये चीज? मतलब मैं बोल रहा हूं कि सम ऑफ रूट क्या हो गया? माइनस बी बाई ए. मीन्स अगर तुम क्वेश्चन पता है तो कैन यू जस्ट डायरेक्टली टेल व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ रूट्स? यस और नो? यस और नो? टेल मी, बताओ, जल्दी बताओ. अगर मैं कोई भी क्वेश्चन दूं तुमसे मैं सम ऑफ रूट्स पूछ लूं, तुम डायरेक्टली बिना सॉल्व किए हुए बता सकते हो, राइट? चलो एक और चीज देखते हैं, व्हाट इज अल्फा इंटू बीटा? टेल मी, ये क्या है? अल्फा इंटू बीटा क्या है? टेल मी. अल्फा इंटू बीटा, अल्फा और बीटा क्या है? व्हाट इज अल्फा इंटू बीटा? +2 ना, +2 2, राइट? वेरी गुड, 2. एंड ये क्या है? देखो तो 6/3 है, 6/3 है ये. Which is C by A? Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? Right? So अभी तो इंट्यूटिवली सोच रहे हैं ना, बट तुम लोग इक्वेशन से बताएंगे कि कैसे -b/a और c/a होता है. बट अभी इंट्यूटिवली तो लग रहा है. वही देखते हैं शाकिब. लेट्स सी इफ इट इज वैलिड फॉर ऑल. यस, इट इज वैलिड फॉर, वी विल प्रूव इट, राइट? वी विल प्रूव इट. बट अभी इंट्यूटिवली कर रहे हैं ना. नेक्स्ट एक और इक्वालिटी इक्वेशन देखते हैं. लेट्स सी. आई राइट लाइक दिस. 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 14x plus 20 is equal to 0. Tell me, what is alpha and beta? Find alpha, beta, then find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So पहले डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूला से अल्फा प्लस बीटा क्या हो, डायरेक्टली देखते हैं और फिर तुम निकालो. डायरेक्टली अल्फा प्लस बीटा क्या होता है? -b/a और ये c/a. मैंने जो बोला, फिर देखते पुट करके कितना होगा. दिस इज -7, ये -7 आ रहा है और ये कितना आ रहा है? ये आ रहा है तुम्हारा 10, राइट? ये इस फॉर्मूले से आ रहा है. नाउ हम लोग सॉल्व करके देखेंगे. सॉल्व कर सबको सॉल्व करो स्टेप बाय स्टेप. मैं भी कर रहा हूं. सो 14 कैन बी रिटन एज m plus n. प्रहलाद स्टेप बाय स्टेप, राइट? और m into n is basically 20 into 2 और 10 into 4. आ गया 10 into 4, राइट? यही तो है. सो 10 और 4, सो 2x स्क्वायर plus 10x plus 4x plus 20 is equal to 0. और तुम 2 पूरा कॉमन लेकर हटा भी सकते हो, बिकॉज 0 है ना. So you can just take 2 common. It will be x square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. ये भी सही है कि नहीं? पता है नहीं ये चीज? पता है कि नहीं? बताओ. This is something that we know, right? Anyways, you can do any of them. Doesn't matter, right? You can take 2 outside here also. So you will get what? 2x square. Now if you take 2 common, 2x common यहाँ से क्या हो जाएगा? x plus 5 and take 4 common यहाँ से plus 4 common यहाँ से क्या हो जाएगा? x plus 5 is equal to 0. Make sense? Yes, very good, right? So हो जाएगा 2x plus 4 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. तो देखो x का वैल्यू क्या हो गया? -2 and x का वैल्यू हो गया -5. क्वाड्रेटिक मीन्स कितने रूट्स? टेल मी. क्वाड्रेटिक मीन्स 2 रूट्स, है ना? सो अल्फा इज -2, बीटा इज minus 5. So what is alpha plus beta? Tell me, what is alpha plus beta? Batao. Because Prahlad, what is alpha plus beta? Now we are correct, right? सही है Zidan, सही है, सबको समझ में आ रहा, very good. -7 है ना, -7. And what is alpha into beta? 10. Now देखो डायरेक्टली आ गया, यही सही है कि नहीं? So can we apply? विकास लोग दोनों पे मैसेज कर रहे हैं, but message to wait. Am I host or co-host? I don't know. Okay. Okay. So मेरा फोन वाला host बन गया, right? That's why people are messaging on phone. Message to co-host, ठीक है? Message to co-host now. And that's why people are messaging here. Okay. Anyways, I'm checking messages from both the places. It's better if you message to co-host. Okay. Okay. So ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Tell me, ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Anyone have any issue in this? Tell me. Anyone have any issue in this? Okay. Now this is one method. Right? Splitting the middle term. Suppose there is a problem. Right, in which you cannot split the middle term, or it is not that easy. It is not factorized into your natural numbers. Sorry, your integers. Then what we will do? Now, there's one other method, right? There's one other method which is called as completing square method. Squaring. See, guys, split in the middle term में किसी दिक्कत है? Tell me, split in the middle term में किसी दिक्कत है? Anyone have any issue in split in the middle term? This method? Tell me yes, no? No? Very good everyone. Now, next method is something called as completing squares. Now, एक चीज बताओ, what is a square minus b square? Tell me, what is a square minus b square? Tell me. What is a square minus b square? क्या होगा? वैल्यू क्या होगा a square minus b square का? बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हम लोग, राइट? बताओ जल्दी से. No, Shakib, it's not like Pascal's triangle. Basic है ना, a square minus b square. Yes, Vikas, correct. A square minus b square is what? A minus b into a plus b. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Think about it. Anyone have any issue? पता है सबको? Now suppose I'm having any quadratic equation. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, right? नहीं Shakib, this method is not that binomial, right? This is just the name because we will convert this into this form. Okay, now suppose we have a quadratic equation like x squared plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, if you can convert this quadratic equation, in this form, x plus a whole square minus b square is equal to 0. Can we convert it into factors? Tell me. Can we convert this quadratic equation to factor? Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Then the factor will be what? X plus a plus b into x plus a minus b is equal to 0. Yes or no? Tell me, guys. So I'm saying that if I can convert this quadratic equation in this form, okay, in this form, right? Now, how to do that? The question is how to do that, how to convert, right, Melissa? Right? Now, think about it. हम लोग इसको सोचेंगे. Let's open this. So, it will be what? X squared plus a squared plus 2ax minus b squared is equal to 0. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Agree? Tell me, agree? Anyone have any issue in this? Okay. Now, I'm saying that I have to convert this. I have to convert this equation into this equation, which means the both equations should be same. Yes or no? Both equations should be same. So देखो first term क्या है? X square है. First term x square. First term is x square. First term x square. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, सही है, चलेगा. X square. Now x के साथ वाला term 3 है. यहाँ पे x के साथ वाला term कौन सा है? 2a है. So if I'm equating these two, what do you think? What is the value of 2a? Tell me. What should be the value of 2a? If I'm equating these two, what should be the value of 2a? Very good, Zilan. Very good. Very good, Vikas. I'm equating these two ना. Same equation होगा तो 2a should be 3 ना. See, x coefficient 2a है. यहाँ पे x coefficient कितना है? 3. So 2a should be 3. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Got it? Yes, yes, Sheila. Very good. So what is the value of a? A की value क्या हो जाएगा? 3/2. Make sense? Make sense? Anyone have any issue till this point? Anyone have any issue till this point? बताओ, किसी को दिक्कत है? किसी को दिक्कत है यहाँ पे? नहीं? Okay. So plus 3. So plus this I'll write as 2 into 3/2 x. Right? 2 into x. 2 into x. है ना? Now, what is constant term? Tell me, what is constant term? A square minus b square, है ना? A square minus b square, right? So यहाँ पे a square मुझे add करना पड़ेगा because a square is added. A square is already there. So a square I have to add plus a square. What is a square? 9/4. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? In order to get this, in order to get these three terms, right? I have to add a square in this. Agree? Agree? Right? Now, if I'm adding something, I have to subtract that thing also, na? है कि नहीं? If I'm adding 9/4, I have to subtract 9/4 also because 9/4 था थोड़ी ना, वो तो हम add कर रहे हैं, right? Extra add में तुमको subtract भी करना पड़ेगा. Make sense? Tell me, make sense? Anyone have any issue till this point? बस सोचो, समझो. Why I'm question? You should ask yourself, right? Why Vishnu says adding 9/4? Why? Why I'm adding 9/4? बताओ. सोचो एक बार. बताओ. Navya, Yashila, Vikas, Shakib, Shrishti, Afsa, Shriya,
Sir, not get it
Tanish.
in the form of a plus b whole square, sir.
Yes. Yes, very good. In order to convert this whole into this form, yes or no? Square करने के लिए, right? है ना? Makes sense, right? But this 9/4 is extra, so I have to subtract this also. ठीक है? Which means ये दोनों क्या था? ये actually में ये दोनों मिलके क्या हो जाएगा? This is basically 0, है ना? Right? Now बचा हुआ क्या था? +1. So I'll just write +1 is equal to 0. Make sense? Tell me, make sense? Yes or no? Step by step. Step by step. प्यार से समझोगे, step by step समझोगे. कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है. Right? Now if you observe this, okay, then this is your x plus a whole square. This is x plus 3/2 whole square, right? Minus 9/4 plus 1. Now, what is minus 9/4 plus 1? Tell me, क्या होता है? 9/4 plus 1 कितना होता है? बताओ सब कोई? It will be 5/4. Yes or no? Minus 9 plus, right? Minus 5/4. Very good. Very good. अब बताओ. अब ये तो square नहीं है ना? This is not square, right? But what we need? We need square. We need b square. So can I say that, okay, b square should be 5/4? Yes or no? B square should be 5/4. Yes? Yes? Any issues in this? है ना, b square should be 5/4. So what is b? What is b? b is root 5/2. रूट 5/2 है ना। देखो स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्यार से करोगे और अगर नहीं आएगा तो पूछोगे तो सब कुछ क्लियर होगा, राइट। यहां तक में सबको समझ में आ रहा है, कोई दिक्कत है सृष्टि? विकास देखो व्हाट इज x प्लस a का होल स्क्वायर? टेल मी x प्लस a का होल स्क्वायर क्या होता है विकास, बताओ x प्लस a का होल स्क्वायर क्या होता है? And guys, either message in the chat box or message the phone, right? Co-host को मैसेज करो, ठीक है ना। x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस a स्क्वायर होता है ना, so x का कोएफिशिएंट 2a है और यहाँ पे x कोएफिशिएंट 3 था, means 2a should be equal to 3, right? Got it?
Yes sir.
भवानी देखो हम 9/4 ऐड किए हैं इसीलिए -9/4 सब्सट्रैक्ट किए हैं, that's the thing, right? I'm adding 9/4, that's why I'm subtracting 9/4. Why? Because यहाँ पे मुझे x plus a का होल स्क्वायर चाहिए ना, और a क्या है 3/2 है, right? So a square I'm adding and a square I'm subtracting, right? That's it. और +1 तो पहले से था ना, +1 तो था, +1 तो ऑलरेडी था, है कि नहीं भवानी? समझ में आ रहा है? Got it? Bhavani, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ गया? Now this can be written as x plus 3/2 whole square minus root 5/2 whole square. अब बताओ हो गया a square plus b, a square minus b square. Tell me. A square minus b square, yes or no? Yes or no? A square minus b square, right? So what's the formula? A square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. Step by step, it might seems difficult. Step by step, प्यार से step by step करोगे गलती नहीं होगी. So this is whole a, this is x plus 3/2 plus this root 5/2 and this minus this x plus 3/2 minus root 5/2 is equal to 0. अब बताओ what is the value of x? Tell me. Can I say that okay sir x plus 3/2 और ये दोनों में ये ना 3 plus root 5/2 कर रहा हूँ मैं, right? is equal to 0 होगा? नहीं तो x plus 3 minus root 5/2 0 होगा, है कि नहीं? है कि नहीं? तो x का वैल्यू क्या हो गया? x is equal to minus 3 minus root 5/2 and x is equal to, tell me, minus 3 plus root 5/2. Anyone have any issue? Tell me. Anyone have any issue? So this is alpha, this is beta, or anyone. This ये alpha ये beta doesn't matter. On alpha on beta कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बट ये सबको समझ में आ गया? प्रहलाद कौन सा स्टेप नहीं समझ में आया? बताओ कौन सा स्टेप नहीं समझ में आया? सी ये टोटल एक फैक्टर है ना. ओके क्लियर? ओके वेरी गुड. नाउ योर क्वेश्चन अल्फा प्लस बीटा हमको नहीं पता ही है, डायरेक्टली इस इक्वेशन से देखते हैं. डायरेक्टली इक्वेशन से व्हाट इज अल्फा प्लस बीटा? फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस. फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन व्हाट इज अल्फा प्लस बीटा? फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन व्हाट इज अल्फा प्लस बीटा? माइनस बी बाई ए तो कितना हो जाएगा? -3 हो जाएगा, है कि नहीं? इस इक्वेशन से माइनस बी बाई ए -3. व्हाट इज अल्फा इनटू बीटा? AC which is 1, right? अब देखो using this add them alpha plus beta, add them, what you will get? Alpha plus beta, tell me. add करो कितना होगा? plus root 5 minus root 5 will get cancelled. -3 minus 6/2 -6/2 -3. yes or no? Yes or no? सी देखो ये सॉल्व करने के बाद ये बच रहा है ना, ये क्या होगा? ये दिस शुड बी इक्वल टू बी स्क्वायर ना, अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस फॉर्म. राइट, है ना? गॉट इट जिनान, गॉट इट? दिस 5/4 शुड बी इक्वल टू बी स्क्वायर ना, तभी तो तुम फॉर्मूले में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो। ठीक है जिनान, राइट? ओके, इस पे प्रॉब्लम प्रैक्टिस करें तो हो जाएगा। ठीक है, ए अल्फा इंटू बीटा मल्टीप्लाई करो तो कितना आ जाए बताओ? ये क्या है? ए प्लस ए माइनस बी, ए प्लस बी बी व्हाट? 9 माइनस 5/2 विच इज एक्चुअली 2। देखो इक्वल आ गया, सेम आ गया। देखो सॉरी 9 339/4 ना, बाई 4, 2 into 2 4 2/2 सॉरी 1। ठीक है, माय बैड। मेक सेंस, मेक सेंस? यस प्रहलाद, आई समराइज, आई जनरलाइज। अब बताओ ये लग रहा है कि नहीं? अरे सर डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है कि नहीं? डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है? यस, हाउ मेनी फीलिंग दैट दिस इज काइंड ऑफ डिफिकल्ट? दिमाग ज्यादा लग रहा है, राइट? So what if actually the process is not difficult? Process is actually not difficult, right? But since it is quite complex, थोड़ा सा बड़ा बड़ा टर्म आ जा रहा है, इसलिए तुमको डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है। Now suppose if I actually make a formula out of this, tell me, अगर मैं इससे एक फॉर्मूला ही बना दूं तो जो डायरेक्टली यूज करके बन जाए, इजी हो जाए, तो बताओ इजी हो जाएगा? yes or no? tell me yes or no? तो बनाए, फॉर्मूला बनाए, राइट? राइट, लेट्स सी, फॉर्मूला बनाते हैं सबको ही मिलके बनाएंगे। ठीक है, सबको ही, तुम लोग भी आओ मेरे साथ मिलके बनाओ। ठीक है, अपना अपना नोटबुक पे, राइट? व्हाइल आई एम डूइंग दिस यू आल्सो डू दिस, राइट? सो अगर मुझे फॉर्मूला बनाना है, राइट, इफ आई हैव टू मेक द फॉर्मूला, देन आई हैव टू टेक द जनरल फॉर्म। यस और नो? टेल मी, आई हैव टू टेक द जनरल फॉर्म, राइट एवरीवन? है ना? दर्शन, भवानी, जनरल फॉर्म लेना पड़ेगा ना, बताओ है कि नहीं? जल्दी बताओ, जल्दी जल्दी। जनरल फॉर्म, व्हाट इज जनरल फॉर्म? क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का जनरल फॉर्म क्या होता है? ax² प्लस bx प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0, है ना? ये होता है जनरल फॉर्म। ठीक है, यही होता है जनरल फॉर्म। वेरी गुड दर्शन, वेरी गुड, राइट? Now you have to convert this, you have to convert in this which form? Okay, since ABC I have already used, so I'll just write x plus u whole square minus v square is equal to 0। ठीक है, क्योंकि वेरिएबल है ना, तो कुछ भी यूज करो। वेरी गुड पुनीत, वेरी गुड, इफ यू गॉट द फॉर्मूला, वेरी गुड, राइट? एक बार तुम बस मिला लेना। नाउ अब देखो, दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज x स्क्वायर प्लस 2ux plus u square minus v square is equal to 0। ठीक है, now what is the coefficient of x over here? Tell me, what is the coefficient of x square over here? What is the coefficient of x square over here? 1, but यहाँ पे कितना है? कितना है यहाँ पे? a। तो यहाँ पे 1 करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? Tell me, what we have to do in order to make this 1? Tell me, divide by a na, now we are divide by a, right? Divide every term by a, so it will be what? ax square by a plus bx by a plus c by a is equal to 0। yes or no? Tell me yes or no? Yes, right? Now it became what? It became x square plus b by ax plus c by a is equal to 0। पुनीत करेक्ट, सही है। ठीक है, सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, सबको स्टेप बाय स्टेप ध्यान देगा, सबको स्टेप बाय स्टेप ध्यान देगा। ठीक है, एक एक स्टेप पे ध्यान देगा। जहां तक किसी को दिक्कत है, टेल मी, यहां तक किसी को दिक्कत है? आई विल राइट बोथ द इक्वेशंस पैरेलली। Okay, very good Puneet, if you derived it, very good, right? Now tell me, what is u? If you compare, 2u should be equal to b by a, yes or no? 2u should be equal to b by a. So what is u equal to? Can I say that u should be equal to b by 2a? Yes, very good Navya, correct. correct? So can I write like this? Can I convert this into this? X squared plus 2 into b by 2a plus, now u square should be added, which means b square by 4a square should be added, which means b square by 4a square should be subtracted also, है कि नहीं? u square add करना है ना, u अगर ये है तो u square ये होगा, so if I'm adding u square I have to subtract u square, right? Plus c by a is equal to 0. किसी को दिक्कत है यहाँ तक में? Tell me. यहाँ तक में किसी को दिक्कत है? कोई दिक्कत नहीं प्रहलाद, बट यहाँ तक अब समझ में आ रहा है? Now you are getting this. This is what? This is u square. This is u square, right? This is 2ux, and this is again x square, right? So if I'm adding u square, I have to subtract u square also, na, right? And the c by a was also there because this is actually 0. U square minus u square is 0, so I can add 0, ना? बताओ किसी भी इक्वेशन में हम 0 ऐड कर सकते हैं कि नहीं? कर सकते हैं ना? That's what I'm doing, right? Okay. Now think about it. I'll just write down this. Now it is x square, x plus u ka whole square. What is u? I'll just write x plus u ka whole square, है ना? Minus, because this is b by 2 is u, that's why I'm using u. जल्दी होगा, ज्यादा आसान होगा लिखने में, ठीक है? This is u minus. अब देखो माइनस में क्या बचा है? b square by 4a square minus c by a, sorry, plus c by a, ठीक है? ठीक है, right? Yes, tell me yes. Now I have to convert this into something. I have to convert this into v square. So कैसे करेंगे? देखो इसको ऐसे जैसा ऐसे रहेंगे, ये ऐसे ही रहेगा, माइनस ब्रैकेट ले लिया हमने, ब्रैकेट ले लिया तो क्या हो जाएगा ये b square. Now LCM ले लिया, दोनों का LCM ले लिया. What is the LCM of 4a square and 4a? Sorry, 4a square and a. It is 4a square. Yes or no? LCM of 4a square and a is 4a square. Anyone have any issue in this? Tell me, anyone have any issue in this? A और 4a का LCM कितना होगा? What is the LCM of 4a square and a? It will be 4a square only, ना? 8 और 2 का LCM कितना होता है? What is the LCM of 8 and 2? 8 only, right? Plus, now we know that if this 4a square is divided by a, we will get 4a. And this 4a should be multiplied by c. So it should be 4ac is equal to 0. किसी को दिक्कत है यहाँ तक में? नहीं समझ में आया तो मैं लिख रहा हूँ ना. यहाँ पे दिक्कत ये है कि जब माइनस कॉमन लिया तो ये प्लस ना होके क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस हो जाएगा. ये दिक्कत है, होना चाहिए तुम लोगों को, ठीक है? दिस इज द थिंग. नाउ थिंक अबाउट इट. b स्क्वायर बाई 4a स्क्वायर माइनस c बाई a, ठीक है? बिकॉज माइनस ले माइनस c बाई a, एलसीएम क्या हो गया? 4a स्क्वायर. नाउ 4a स्क्वायर डिवाइड 4a स्क्वायर 1, सो इट विल बी b स्क्वायर माइनस a will divide 4a स्क्वायर 4a टाइम्स, तो 4a into c, 4ac. समझ में आया सबको ये? हाँ ना भैया, u स्क्वायर है ना, राइट? बट इट इज u स्क्वायर और प्लस c बाई a ना, इट इज u स्क्वायर प्लस c बाई a. It is not v square ना. We have to find v square, yes or no? We have to find v square ना, है कि नहीं? हमको v square चाहिए ना. Got it? Right? Okay, very good Melissa. Now भैया, now अब बताओ. Now this whole term b square minus 4ac को मैं एक छोटा सा टर्म लिखता हूँ, उसको कैपिटल D बोल रहा हूँ. For convenience, I'm writing b square minus 4ac is capital D. Okay, got it? Tell me, got it? So can I say that x plus u whole square minus capital D by 2a root capital D by 2a whole square? Yes or no? Yes or no? Think about it. Think about it. Yes or no? घर पे एक बार अपने से करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. Now अब हो गया ना a square minus b square. So can I say that okay the factor is x plus u plus root d by 2 a into x plus u minus root d by 2a is equal to 0, which is x is equal to minus u minus root d by 2a and x is equal to minus u plus root d by 2a. And what was u? What is u? u का वैल्यू क्या होता है? b by 2a ना, पुट करते हैं हम. So minus b by 2a minus root d by 2a. Yeah, x is equal to minus b by 2a plus root d by 2a. So if you see what you will get, minus b minus root d by 2a and x is equal to minus b plus root d by 2a. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. So can I say that root x or x1 x2, right, or alpha beta is minus b plus minus root d by 2a, where d is equal to b square minus 4ac. ठीक है. कहां पे 2 लिखा मैंने? क्या 2a, सॉरी, क्या है 2a. ठीक है. Vaishnavi, this was the formula derivation of quadratic equation. If I'm having any, right, it is called as quadratic formula. I'm deriving quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. I'll just rephrase once. ठीक है. So suppose I'm having an equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? I have to convert it into x plus u का whole square minus v square, completing the, tell me, completing squares के terms, completing squares के term में, right? For that I have to divide everything by a first, okay, right? Yes, root is root मैं बता रहा हूँ नाव्या, ठीक है. So after dividing by a, we will get this step by step. We will get this. Okay. Now this is converted into this form. This is converted to this form. So we will equate the coefficients. We will equate this. B by a is equated with 2u. ठीक है, 2u. So after equating, we get 2u is equal to b by a. So u is equal to b by 2a. Right? So it is written as 2 into b by 2a into x, because it is 2ux plus u square. It should be plus u square. Okay. So this term plus u square is added and subtracted, and plus c by a is written as it is. So after this, we will get this constant term. We will take the LCM and make it into one term, which is root d by a, where d is b square minus 4ac. Okay. So the final formula is this. Final formula is this. ठीक है? This is final formula. Got it? Tell me, got it? एक बार घर पे जाके मल्टीप्लाई करो. Multiply by 2. देखो ना, देखो यहाँ पे, देखो. See this. b by 2a है और ये b by a है. What you have to do? It is 2 into u, ना 2 into u, ना. Right? It is 2 into u. b by a is 2 into u, and this is b by 2a, not b by a. Got it? Step by step अच्छे से देखो. Okay, प्रहलाद? Tell me. Okay. Okay. So guys, this is it. I'm having another class at 3:30. So what I'll do, I'll upload this. Try to do it once again. पूरा एक बार फिर से देखना और एक बार पूरा अपने से करना. ठीक है? Next class we'll continue with this. Right? This is called as quadratic formula. Directly formula लगा सकते हो. ठीक है? Okay? Right? Okay. Very good, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Bye, everyone. Thank you. Thank you, Melissa. Bye, everyone. Yes, Vaishnavi, मैं क्लास का अपलोड कर दूंगा. ठीक है?